to make chocolate chip cookies. Looking for a play partner. Ringer. Just looking for a play partner. Go get her. Having a late supper tonight, but decided to make some salmon. It sounded really good, and my husband got it at Sam's Club, and it's always really good. I'm in the basement here with Boo Boo, and our son is over to fix our water heater. It sprung a leak up on the top pipe, so here's Boo Boo watching, and hopefully we can get it fixed tonight. He has all of his tools, and here he is working on it. He is using a tool that goes around to cut the pipe, and then later on he uses a tool that he got it at the dollar store, and it worked really good. And I'll show you what that looks like.
Home inspector. They might make a note that not all of it's CPVC, but...
Are you helping?
Take a long time, yeah. I should have got a mini one so you could get closer.
It's getting there.
He had to move it over because of he was hitting the pipe. The mini cutters. I never knew what it is.
Did you just buy that?
Does?
Yeah,
no.
The mini cutter. Oh, sure's coming in handy today. He got that little tiny saw at the dollar store. It's really coming in handy. It's worked pretty good too in small spaces. You had to grind this down to make it fit on that one. So we got really lucky that he was able to do that, because all the stores are closed, right? That sells that stuff. So yay, we'll have water tomorrow. Did a great job. Like usual, we have no leaks. And this floor had water all over it because where the elbow is right there, it had a leak. I don't know, it was really weird. You think these PVCs would last forever, but it's great. No leaks on the floor. Isn't that a good thing? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Great job, son. Night night. Night night. See you in the morning.